Today I will show you how to add a drop shadow to any text, object or shape you want in Figma. So first we will add a drop shadow to this text. So you need to click a plus button on effects and you will automatically by default have drop shadow added. Then you need to click this left effect settings to style it. So you have X and Y values. We can adjust it a little bit to however we want. We can also make this blur bigger, and spread we can only use for shapes and objects. We can't use it for text, and we can also add any color of this shadow we want. Let's say green, and let's make it less transparent. We can also add a blending mode to our drop shadow. We will just put it to normal, and now that's how we added a drop shadow to this text. We can also add it to any object we want. Let's say this rectangle. Let's style it quick. Let's give it bigger spread. Let's give it X value and Y value. We'll give it bigger blur. We will add a red color. Make it less transparent. We'll give it a little bit bigger spread. Give more Y value and more X value. And now we added a drop shadow effect to this object.